Jason's Academy, Social Science, Class 7th, Geography. Lesson 7, Human Environment Interaction. Hello students, today we are going to start Lesson 7, Human Environment Interaction. Humans settled in different parts of the world according to environmental condition. For example, land is very fertile in Amazon and Ganga Brahmaputra region. But the Sahara and Ladakh are desert. Then also population is there. In the world there are many grasslands like the prairies, the velds. In this chapter we will study about interaction of human with environment. Let's first see about desert. A desert is a region which receives a rainfall of less than 25 cm in a year. A desert may be hot or cold. All deserts are dry. Location: Life in the Sahara Desert. The largest desert of the world is the Sahara Desert of North Africa. This desert covers parts of Algeria, Libya, Egypt, Sudan, and other North African countries. The river Nile and Niger flow along the borders of this desert region. Lake Chad is the only freshwater lake in this region. Climate of Sahara Desert. The climate of the Sahara is very hot and dry. The highest temperature of the world has been recorded in this desert. The average rainfall is about 25 centimeters. The palm trees, cactus, babool and thorny bushes are the only vegetation of the Sahara region. Sahara Desert people. Bedouins and Joregs are the main nomadic tribes of the Sahara Desert. The main occupation is animal rearing like sheep, camel and goats. The people also practice agriculture near oases. They grow cereals and vegetables. The nomads milk, meat, leather and wool to the oases to exchange for dates and other agriculture products. In the Sahara Desert, oil is drilled out in countries like Libya, Algeria and Egypt. Nowadays, modernization of the Sahara Desert has started. The tractor, automobiles and aeroplanes are taking the place of camels. The life of the people in the desert is being transformed as they import most of the things from other countries. Second is Ladakh Desert. Location of Ladakh. Ladakh is located in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. It lies to the north of the Great Himalayan mountain ranges. Ladakh is a mountainous area. It is a cold and dry desert. The population of Ladakh is 2 lakhs. Most of the people believe in Buddhism. When the south-west monsoon wind cross over to Ladakh, they become almost dry. Hence, no rain occurs. That's why Ladakh is a desert. Climate of Ladakh Desert. The climate of Ladakh Desert is cold and dry. In summer days are warm and nights are cool. During winter, some snow falls in this region. Average annual rainfall is less than 25 centimeters. People of Ladakh Desert. The people of Ladakh practice agriculture in the summer season. They grow wheat, barley and vegetables. They also grow fruits like apples, apricots and grapes. Yak, goat and sheep rearing is the main occupation of the people. Yak is used for transportation and also provides wool and milk to the people. In winters, people do weaving at home. Leh and Kargil are important towns of this region. Leh is the commercial and administrative town. Ladakh is a tourist place. The government has been trying to improve transport and communication in Ladakh. The tropical and subtropical areas extend to both sides of the equator up to 30° north and 30° south latitude. The Amazon basin lies in the tropical zone while Ganga Brahmaputra basin lies in subtropical zone. Third is Amazon basin. Location of Amazon basin. The largest river of the world is the Amazon basin. This river rises in the Andes mountain of the South America. It flows through Brazil, Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia and Venezuela. Climate of Amazon basin. Amazon basin experiences hot and wet type of climate throughout the year. It rains every day in the afternoon. The average annual rainfall is 200 centimeters. Days and nights are equal. The Amazon basin has evergreen rainforest known as selvas. The common trees are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, cinchona, etc. Slash and burn agriculture has been causing much harm to this forest. Wildlife of Amazon basin. In the Amazon basin there is rich variety of wildlife. The common animals are monkeys, jaguar, alligators, anteaters, sloths, anaconda and pumas. People of Amazon basin. The tribal live in the forest. They get their food by hunting, fishing and forest gathering. They live in a small thatched house made of branches of trees and leaves. The more advanced people of tribal origin live in villages. Their houses are made up of wood and mud. They do subsistence agriculture. The advanced people live in the town and they work in these industries. Next is Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. Location of Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. The Ganga Brahmaputra Basin is located on the south of the Great Himalayas. It spreads over large parts of the Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. At the mouth of Ganga and Brahmaputra, a triangular shaped depositional feature called the Sundarban Delta is formed. Climate of Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. The Ganga Brahmaputra Basin has a tropical monsoon climate. Summers are hot and dry. Rainfall is due to southwest monsoon winds. Winters are cold and dry. People of Ganga-Putra Basin. Ganga-Putra Basin has a rich layer of alluvial soil. This region is thickly populated because of favorable climate conditions, fertile soil and water availability for agriculture. Cotton, wheat, sugarcane, rice and jute are the main crops. The entire region is a flat plain. Hence, a good network of roads and railways has been developed here. Industries and trade also flourish. The human interaction with environment has been modified due to modern technology and long span of time. The prairies and the velds are the temperate grassland. They are found between 30 and 40 degree latitudes in both the hemisphere. Now, let's see about the prairies. Location. The prairies are found in USA and Canada in the North America. They extend from Rocky Mountains in the west to the Great Lakes in the east. Climate of the prairies. Winters are very cold because the absence of a mountain range in the north allows the entry of the cool wind from the polar area. But summers are hot. Annual rainfall is less than 40 centimeters. Occupation of the people of the prairies. The prairies have a short grass because of the semi-arid climatic condition. The soil of the prairies is very fertile. There are two major occupations of the people in the prairies, that is, cattle rearing and farming. The cattle are allowed to graze freely in the open plain under the supervision of the cowboys. Wheat farming is the main agricultural activity on the prairies land. Most of the wheat is exported to European countries. Due to the production of wheat, this region is also called breadbasket of the world. Other crops, barley, flax, maize, oats and potatoes. Railways are used to transport the crops. Last topic is the veld. Location. The veld, a temperate grassland, is found in the southern part of Africa. The veld is derived from Dutch word which means field. It is located to the leeward side of the Drakensberg mountain of South Africa. Climate of the veld. The climate is moderate. Summers are warm and wet and winters are cool and dry. Rainfall mostly occurs in summer. Occupation of the people of veld. Rearing of sheep is the most important occupation of the people of the veld. The Angora, goats and merino sheep of this region are known for their fine quality wool. In certain parts of the veld, farming is also practiced. The parts of the veld are rich in mineral. For example, in Johannesburg, gold, diamond and coal are mined. The iron and steel industries, dairy farming, wool industries and railways are well developed in the veld. So students, we have completed the chapter. I hope you have understood. Thank you.